Welcome back to Touch Trove. Today, we're revealing why the Samsung S25 Ultra stands out as the ultimate choice over the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We're going beyond megapixels and specs to show you the features that make a real difference. 1. Advanced camera flexibility and customization. Apple upgraded to a 48MP ultrawide lens, but Samsung's S25 Ultra steps up with 4 powerful lenses, including a laser autofocus sensor, providing unmatched flexibility and range the iPhone just doesn't offer. The 3x telephoto lens is an unsung hero, giving stunning, clear shots even between 0.6x and 10x zoom with minimal noise. But it's not just about hardware. Samsung's software takes it further with features like dual recording, letting you capture 4K video from 2 angles, and auto framing, which keeps you in the frame even if you're moving. The Pro mode offers full control over settings, and Samsung is constantly expanding these features. 2. Galaxy AI versus Apple Intelligence. Apple's new Apple Intelligence is still in beta and only available in limited regions, while Galaxy AI is already global and fully established. It brings unmatched productivity features, making it more reliable than waiting for future promises from Apple. Galaxy AI has the advantage of being accessible worldwide and ready to use now. 3. Power-packed performance. Both the S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max are equipped with blazing fast processors, but Apple holds back on unlocking full capabilities. Samsung, however, goes all out, from Samsung DeX to the S Pen, giving users access to maximum performance. Samsung also offers larger RAM, better RAM management, an efficient cooling system, and battery optimization, so you're always getting the most out of your device. 4. One UI customization and productivity. Samsung's One UI is built for customization, with features like split screen, pop-up windows, and the Edge panel to save time and maximize productivity. And if you want to push it even further, Samsung's Good Lock app allows you to tailor the experience precisely to your needs. 5. A truly expansive ecosystem. Apple loves to talk about its ecosystem, but Samsung offers a complete, connected world. From TVs to air conditioners, washing machines, and even refrigerators, Samsung's ecosystem can power your entire home. With Galaxy AI, you can control all your Samsung devices seamlessly from your smartphone or Galaxy Watch, making everyday life smarter and more convenient. 6. Next-level camera features and flexibility. Apple recently upgraded the ultra-wide camera to 48MP, and Samsung's S25 Ultra is set to match that. But here's where the S25 Ultra really pulls ahead. It has 4 lenses with a laser autofocus sensor, offering flexibility and a range that the iPhone just doesn't match. Plus, the 3x telephoto lens is a game-changer, making photos from 0.6x to 10x look clearer and less noisy. And it's not just hardware. The S25 Ultra's software customization is exceptional. Features like dual recording, which lets you record 4K from 2 angles, and auto framing that adjusts the frame while you're filming, really set it apart. The Pro mode lets you unlock all settings for ultimate control, and we know Samsung will keep adding new features. 7. Galaxy AI versus Apple Intelligence, a smarter choice. Apple launched Apple Intelligence with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but it's still in beta and only available in limited regions. Meanwhile, Galaxy AI is already fully functional and global, giving you more productivity features and immediate value without waiting for future updates. 8. Unlocked performance with S25 Ultra. Both the S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max come with top-notch processors, but Samsung allows users to get the full potential of the device. Unlike Apple, which restricts certain capabilities, Samsung pushes the limits, like with Samsung DeX and the S Pen. The S25 Ultra also comes with larger RAM, better management, cooling, and battery optimization, so performance stays at its best. 9. Customization and productivity with One UI. Samsung's One UI is designed for productivity, featuring split screen, pop-up windows, and the Edge panel to help you save time. And if you're a customization fan, the Good Lock app lets you go even further. 10. A truly expansive ecosystem. Apple loves to boast about its ecosystem, but Samsung offers a true all-in-one experience. You can integrate Samsung devices like TVs, air conditioners, washing machines, and more. Galaxy AI allows you to control all these devices right from your phone or watch, making everyday life smarter and easier. Samsung's ecosystem is constantly expanding, connecting everything you need right in your home. So there you have it, the real reasons why the S25 Ultra is a better choice over the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you want to dive even deeper into all the S25 Ultra features, check out our full review here. This is Touch Trove signing off. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.